know the song? I'm in chains, you're in chains too. Our uniforms, you wear uniforms too. I'm a prisoner, you're a prisoner too, Mr. Jailer. Yeah. I have fears, you have fears too. I will die, yourself would die too. Life is beautiful now, don't you think so too, Mr. Jailer? I'm talking to you, Jailer. Stop calling me a prisoner. Let you ease without sin. Be the first to cast the stone down, Mr. Jailer. Mr. Jailer, man. If you're walking in a man's place, even if you do, you just might be head down. Life is not about your own policies now. So you better rearrange your philosophies and be good to your fellow man, Jailer.